Alright.
Hey guys, welcome to your toy car.
Toy car McQueen. This time again. Is that McQueen?
Toy car
It's not.
scale
It's
mode.
a pocket car. Diecast.
Pocket car. Hey, pocket car toy.
Yeah.
Let's open it.
Let's open it. Unboxing. It's boxed this time, so it's unboxing. We're gonna show you. Ooh. One by one. Daniel's opening it now. Just pick up the tape. There.
Ooh.
Take it off. It's hard to remove the tape. Okay, now we can open it and show it to you guys. Oh, there's another tape on the other side. Isn't it annoying when tapes? Oh, here we go now. Go on. Go on.
A green pickup truck.
A green pickup truck.
A red car.
A red car. Show it to them. They need to see it.
A Volkswagen detail. White car.
White car, yeah.
A black car.
A black car. That one nice. Taxi. It says taxi. There. You read it? It says taxi.
Taxi.
Taxi car. And that's all we have. Huh?
What we have.
That's all we have. That's all we have. Bye.
Bye. See you later.